Hi, I'm Allie, and welcome to KooBits, the best place for practicing math. In this video, I'm going to show you an example to solve a math problem. The method used can be applied to other similar math questions. Okay, let's get started.
Question. Miko has a bag of marbles. 9/10 of the marbles are red. The remaining marbles are either blue or green. There are 7 times as many blue marbles as green marbles. How many marbles are there altogether if there are 42 blue marbles? Let's break down the question and understand it, shall we? Miko has a bag of marbles. 9/10 of the marbles are red. Do we know how many red marbles there are? No, we do not. But we do know that if we were to divide the marbles into 10 groups, the red marbles make up 9 out of the 10 groups. The remaining marbles are either blue or green. The group of marbles left is made up of either blue or green marbles. There are 7 times as many blue marbles as green marbles. Do we know how many blue marbles or green marbles there are? No, we do not. But we do know that the number of blue marbles is 7 times the number of green marbles. The question asks to find the number of marbles there are altogether if there are 42 blue marbles. The question tells us the number of blue marbles, which is equal to 42, and asks us to find the total number of marbles in the bag. Alright, now that we've understood the question, let's move on to solve this word problem. Let's solve part of the problem first. We know that there are 7 times as many blue marbles as green marbles, and there are 42 blue marbles. Let's use a rectangle to represent the number of green marbles, or 1 unit. Let's use 7 rectangles of the same size, or 7 units, to represent 42 blue marbles. So 1 unit is equal to 42 divided by 7 equals 6. Can you see that the sum of the number of blue and green marbles is represented by 8 units? So the total number of blue and green marbles is equal to 6 multiplied by 8 equals 48. Next, we know that 9/10 of the marbles are red. Let's use a rectangle divided into 10 parts to represent the total number of marbles. We will label 9 parts as red marbles. Can you see that the remaining 1 part is equal to the total number of green and blue marbles, which is 48? Do you think you can find the total number of marbles from this diagram? Great! Let's move on to the calculation. From the earlier steps, we know that the number of blue and green marbles is represented by 8 units, and 1 unit is equal to 6. 8 units are equal to 6 multiplied by 8 equals 48. There are 48 blue and green marbles altogether. Next, we know that blue and green marbles make up 1 out of 10 parts of the total number of marbles. Thus, the total number of marbles in the bag is equal to 48 multiplied by 10 equals 480. There are 480 marbles altogether in the bag. Let's move on to check our answers and ensure they are correct. From our answer, the total number of marbles in the bag is equal to 480. From the question, we know that red marbles make up 9/10 of the marbles. 10 parts equals 480 marbles. 1 part equals 480 divided by 10 equals 48. 9 parts equals 48 multiplied by 9 equals 432. So there are 432 red marbles. Let's find out the number of red marbles as a fraction of the total number of marbles, which is equal to 432 divided by 480 equals 9/10. This is consistent with the value given in the question. Therefore, we know our answer is correct.
KooBits, engaging the digital kids.